We are glad to be here, Dave.
Great to be back.
Good to see you both. And we're ready for this question. And this is a tough one, especially between neighbors. Gina in Scranton says, I was walking down the street and I tripped on the sidewalk in front of my neighbor's house. I broke my right arm. What can I do? So I guess Gina probably has options here, Ed, but well, it's a neighbor?
Yeah, it's your neighbor, so that makes it a little bit dicey. But this is one of the perfect questions that would have been great if you would have sent us a picture of the sidewalk. Because there are some defects in a sidewalk that just, you have no cause of action for it. Obviously, people are responsible for their sidewalks. They're responsible to, keep them in a safe condition, but we would really need to take a look at it to see if it was open and obvious, what the defect was, in order to tell you, whether you have a case or not.
I agree. And with the thing with the sidewalk cases and the tripping and falling, the documentation is very important, the notice, getting your treatment like we always talk about. So all of those things are very important. But without the pictures, maybe you could take one, call for a consult. We'd love to do that for you. But it's really important. This is a prime example. Someone calls us and says, hey, do I have a case? Like, I don't know. Do you? I have to see it. So this is exactly what happens in our everyday life. We don't know until we get the information. So.
And you always talk about documenting when something happens, taking a photo. So good point there. And those that may need some help when it comes to a case like this and they want to talk to you, how can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. You can see us on the web, 714hurt.com.
But this would have been the greatest Instagram question, because you could have taken a picture of the sidewalk, Instagrammed it to us, and we could have told you a little bit more detail whether you have a case or not. So take us up on that.
Something to keep in mind. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, have a good night.
Thanks, Dave.
Don't forget PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.